My policy team would be very upset if I did not mention that we lobby aggressively on R&D tax credits and immediate expensing and key things around CapEx for this very reason, right? I mean, manufacturing is a very CapEx intensive industry, more so than any other, and it is incredibly, I mean, paying attention to public policy every day is not what you should necessarily do, but R&D tax credits and things around CapEx and investments and how the tax code recognizes those things and rewards those things and protects businesses in some way from the risks of making those investments is an incredibly important part of public policy that we need to make sure that we're always sort of paying attention to. The other thing that we've seen that I think is hopefully going to continue and maybe accelerate would be up and down the supply chain would be some collaboration in this area, right? So large companies with deep pockets who want more innovation from their supply chain partners can help fund some of that in various ways. It doesn't mean they just have to hand out checks, but there are ways that they can incentivize their supply chain to be more innovative, ways that they can help protect their supply chain against some of the risks that those smaller suppliers take when they innovate and when they try new things. And so we're certainly hopeful that the most forward-thinking companies are looking at their supply chain partners in that way and really trying to help them innovate and to help protect them from some of the downside risk of that. Because it's scary, especially if you're a small manufacturer, and those equipment costs can be really, really massive to you. And so the risks of doing something incorrect and putting yourself out of business are real. And so we need to make sure that there's ways, not only from a public policy standpoint, but within the business ecosystem to help protect against that. And so that everybody gets the upside of those innovations that work and that really make a huge difference in the supply chain.